Hello everyone, this is Shahrukh Sheikh. Welcome to Code with Shahrukh. In this channel, we will be mastering daily lead code challenges. So, going straight to the question, today's lead code daily challenge question is largest local values in a matrix. So, you are given an n by n matrix grid. Generate an integer matrix max local of size n minus 2 by n minus 2 such that every element of the max local array is equal to the largest value of the 3 by 3 matrix in the grid centered around I plus 1 and column j plus 1. In other words, we want to find the largest value in every contiguous 3 by 3 matrix in grid. So we need to return the generated matrix. So the given grid matrix is of length n by n, which is having equal rows and columns. So we need to find the largest value in the 3 by 3 matrix centered around I plus 1 and j plus 1. Let's see that we are considering the first element, that is 9. We need to find the element I plus 1 and j plus 1, which is nothing but 6. We need to find the largest value in the 3 by 3 matrix centered with 1 by 1 1 with the coordinates 1 and 1, which is 6. So 9 9 8 and 5 6 2 8 2 6 is the 3 by 3 matrix centered around I plus 1 and j plus 1. So here we can see that 9 is the largest element in this 3 by 3 matrix. So we need to return this particular max local, which is nothing but the largest value in this 3 by 3 matrix in the first element, that is 0 0. Similarly, we will be doing for the rest of the elements till n minus 2 rows and n minus 2 column. That is till we will be here the length is 4, which is 4 minus 2 will be 2. We will be traversing till 1, because let's say this is 8 is having the index that is 2, and then 1 is having 3. So these two elements doesn't have third row and column, which is it doesn't have any row above of it or below of it. So there we cannot find the maximum local in the given 3 by 3 matrix because we don't have any elements over there. So let's start the code. So first we will find the grid length, that is int n equals to grid dot length. This method returns us length of the grid, and next we'll be creating a new matrix max local, which we will be returning upon successful completion. So max local, which is int. So what is the length of this particular matrix? Here is given n minus 2, n minus 2. This is the output matrix. Next, now we will be traversing around all the elements of the matrix till n minus 2. And here we will be storing the result in whatever we will be passing the grid and the coordinates to a function where we will find the maximum of the 3 by 3 grid, and from there we will return the maximum value in the grid to here, and it will be stored for the particular I and j coordinates. Let's say the function name is max, and we will be passing the grid and the coordinates I and j. So this particular function will return us the maximum element in the given 3 by 3 matrix, and then we will be returning the max local matrix. So now we will be creating a new function public we'll be returning integer, max integer. So public int max method name, and parameters are puts greet int x and int y. These are the inputs for the function. And then we will be initializing a variable maximum, which will be returning from here to the function. So this will be initialized to 0. So why we are initializing it to 0? We can initialize it to integer dot minimum value. As said, the constraints are the values in the grid will always be between 1 and 100, which is all positive integers. So next, for int I equals to x, and then I less than x plus 3, I plus plus. For int j equals to y, j less than x plus 3, j plus plus. So we need to find the maximum value. So maximum equals to math dot max of the maximum value comma grid of I and then j. We'll be comparing the local maximum variable, which is 0, with the all the elements, and we'll be storing the corresponding maximum value in the maximum variable and traversing the whole 3 by 3 matrix. So in the end, this maximum variable will be storing the maximum value in the given 3 by 3 matrix. And if you have any doubts why I have initialized it till I less than x plus 3, because it is a 3 by 3 matrix, and it will be till, let's say we are considering the first element 0 comma 0 coordinates, so it should go till 0 1 and then 2. This forms the 3 by 3 matrix, right? So I have initialized it to I less than x plus 3, which is I less than 3. It goes till 0 to 2, and from here I will be returning the maximum value. Okay, here I am returning the maximum value. So this maximum value will be stored in max localize. Similarly, it will store for all the 3 by 3 matrix, which will be coming for other coordinates as well. So in the end, I will be returning the resultant matrix with all the max local values for all the coordinates till n minus 2. Let's run this for few test cases. So it got successfully executed for the test cases. Let us test it with all the test cases. I'm submitting it. Okay, it's failing for one particular test case. Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, see, for int j equals to y, j less than, it's y plus 3. Let me just run it. Got successfully executed for the first two test cases. Running for all the test cases. Yeah, that's correct. So we have successfully executed for all the test cases, and the runtime is 2 milliseconds. So let us discuss on the time complexity and the space complexity that it takes. So traversing the whole matrix with two loops, which is nothing but order of n into n, which is order of n square. Order of n square, and this loops takes constant, which is order of 3 into 3. 3 into 3, which is nothing but 9. So 9 into order of n square will result in order of n square. So time complexity is order of n square. So space complexity, let's discuss on space complexity. We are creating a n minus 2 into n minus 2 matrix. So this also takes up around order of n square space. This is in this topic we have covered traversing around the matrix and arrays. So thanks for watching, and if you want any particular topic that needs to be covered, feel free to comment it down. I will take it up, and I'll definitely work on it and do a video on that. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and like.